What's up, everyone? So we got an ambient air temperature code on the Audi. It should be under the front bumper here on the passenger side. Let's have a look what we see. The yellow connector is the airbag sensor. Oh, Shiza, look what we got here. Well, that's not where it's supposed to go. That'll do. I bet you that's why it's set in the code. So all we need is a new ambient air temperature sensor. Cool. That's an easy fix. There we go. So there is our ambient air temperature sensor. Looks like it was dragging on the ground or got smashed or something. Anyway, here is our new piece. 20 bucks from Amazon. Let's put it in, clear the code, see if we win. Come on. So I don't know how much you can see, but here's our connector. That's where the air temperature sensor should clip in. And then there's a little clip beside the fog light that holds the harness. So, click, there we go. I don't know if it goes this way or this way. Oh, let's see if we can snap it. Looks like just a click. Doesn't seem to fit. Maybe that's not where it goes. Maybe it goes this way. Figure out where it goes. Well, I don't exactly know where that's supposed to go, or if that is the right spot. I'm just going to zip tie it to this little bracket. There we are. Cleared the codes, started up, no engine light. I think we may have a winner chicken.